Can a neutral safety switch cause a no-start condition? Have you ever turned the key in your truck and nothing happened? It can be frustrating, especially when you need to hit the road. One common reason for this no-start condition could be the neutral safety switch. So, how does this little component play such a big role in your truck's performance? The neutral safety switch is a key part of the starting system in trucks and 18-wheelers. Its main job is to ensure that the engine only starts when the transmission is in park or neutral. This feature is designed to prevent accidents by stopping the vehicle from moving unexpectedly when you start it. Now, if this switch fails, it can lead to a no-start condition. When the neutral safety switch is not functioning properly, it does not complete the starting circuit. This means that even if you turn the key, the engine will not start. You might notice that the engine does not start in either park or neutral, or it may start in one position but not the other. In some cases, a faulty switch might even allow the engine to start in any gear, which can be dangerous. In the context of truck performance upgrades and transmission upgrades, understanding the neutral safety switch is essential. If you are upgrading your transmission, you want to ensure that all components, including the neutral safety switch, are in good working order. Regular maintenance checks can help you avoid a no-start situation and keep your truck running smoothly. If you find that your neutral safety switch is faulty, replacing it is usually not too expensive. The cost can vary depending on the make and model of your truck, but it is generally a straightforward repair. Some switches are easily accessible, while others may requiring more work, like disassembling part of the transmission. In summary, a malfunctioning neutral safety switch can indeed cause a no-start condition in your truck or 18-wheeler. Keeping this component in check is vital for both safety and performance. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can save you from frustrating moments when you just want to get on the road.